Hey, gals and guys, this is Christian Bozier from MyMediaHelper.com, and I'm doing a series of checking out and testing out and kind of tutorials on how to use free websites. And so we're going to do another one today. I actually already filmed for this one, but because I'm moving, I got a new job. And I was not thinking. I was deleting old videos and I accidentally deleted, except for these two, the videos I just recorded because I was just doing it like a robot and I was thinking about other things and I was looking up, okay, can you get back deleted Loom videos? And no, you can't. So lesson learned, and I'll never do that again. So I'm going to have to go over this again, which is fine. So anyways, the free website service that I was using this time is Squarespace. So we're going to get into Squarespace and we're going to get started. As you see, I'm already signed in. So just get started. It's going to ask you a series of questions, like what are you going to, just like before, if you watch my YOLA video, it's going to ask you a series of questions like what are you using it for, and so on and so forth. Pretty easy, and you put in your information and then you go from there. So because I'm an idiot, we'll see there's a website right there. Let's see if we can start from scratch. So we're going to do a photography site again, just like for all these, I'm going to do photography site because I already have some images downloaded, and I'll use a different template that I used on my previous. I'll show you the other one to show you what I did, but what a numbskull I am sometimes. So what we want to do is we kind of want to do like a portfolio kind of deal. And these are all the templates you can choose from. So let's grab this one. Let's start with Statin. I guess that's the name of it. Now, this is pretty simple to use. It's going to ask you a bunch of questions. The site title, I'm going to change it from the other one, is I'm just going to put Mosier Photography this time. Last time I put Helper Photography. So we'll continue. Add and edit, remove text or images to customize a page. Use edit, and you can customize your page. And we'll go next. Style your site. Use the site style icons to control your site's unique look and feel. You can customize your site by picking designer fonts and colors. And we're going to start free trial. And we're going to get rid of this. So help center don't show again. All right. So this is more, it looks like a shop, which is fine. So this looks like, yeah, like you would order, I don't know, maybe this is different recipes or something like that. That's all fine. So let's create a homepage to start with. You can use your blog. You can use this as a homepage, and I'm sure you can change the name of this too if you want. So let's go to pages, and let's go to this gear. And then, yeah, you can change this right here to homepage if you want, but I'm going to show you how to make a page, so we're not going to do that. So you can close or click off it. And then we want to make not linked, main navigation. All right, we just want to make a page here. So these are the templates that you have available. Folder, organize your site navigation. I'm just going to do a blank page. Okay, and the blank page is going to be the template that you utilize, obviously, because here we are. And let me move my dopey head. Come on now. Empty page. So I want to call it something else. I want to call it home page. And then you hit the gear up here to bring this page up. Navigation title. I'm just going to put home. So your slug. So this is your slug here. Let me show you. So here's your slug right here. So that's what will come up whatever the page name is, and then your slug. So I'm just going to put home. There's nothing. It's going to be a home page. Let's see if that goes through. Enable page, yes. Password, no. Duplicate page, no. So if you want to do a duplicate of the same page. Oh, set as home page. Okay, let's do that. All right, are you sure you want this collection? Yeah, sure, why not? All right, so that's our home page. So that says new page. I don't want to say new page though. Let's just save this. Okay, we'll go to home page. Perfect. Okay. So now your top navigation is here. You got your about page, contacts, and all right, there's a form. And let's see what their shop looks like. Oh, fancy schmancy. So let's go back to home. So we want to edit this page, and you can kind of see what it looks like. Here it is on your monitors. Here will it will look like on your mobile phone, made by Squarespace. You're going to get that to the fact that this is the free template, and then you can expand this and see. Oops, that's not really what I wanted to do. You can expand this and kind of take a look. Okay, this is what it's going to look like live. So we'll get out of that. And then we'll double click on the page, and we're going to add a section. So just make sure you double click, and then you've got different templates, widgets, blocks. Each content management system calls them something else. Each content management is pretty much the same. These are the same behind the scenes interface pretty much. So what do we want to do with this? So let's introduce brand. All right, we can do that. Let's edit this picture. So you hit the little pencil. All right, we want to replace this picture. You can select from library. Let's see what that looks like. My library, it doesn't look like there's anything in there. There's free images that you can use. Premium images, which I'm assuming if it's premium images that you need the license for it, so you have to pay for something, but that's okay. I'm going to replace it with my own file. I'm just going to grab this. And then eventually, I'm thinking it's going to load. Hello. All right, let's see. Upload. Let's try it again. Okay, there we go. All right, and then we can resize, it looks like right here. Okay. And then, so I would have to go and edit that picture and make it longer if I wanted it longer, obviously. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. What's this? Align horizontal, move forward. Oh, okay, so you can have things behind. All right, so you can edit this. Let's see what that looks like. Full screen. All right, play around with this, I guess. Oh, okay, so yeah, so it doesn't matter. So fart around with that. Background, introducing background arts. Close. Let's see if we put some background art in it. I don't know. We'll just grab this just for example. See what that looks like. Okay. It looks terrible. This is all for example though, right? Full bleed. Sure. Insert. Yeah, we'll do full bleed. Okay. Colors. All right. So you can change your color scheme. You can go into this pencil. All right. Looks like you can edit the color scheme. Custom. Yeah, do whatever the hell you want to do, I guess. All right, that looks terrible. But again, this is all examples. So we'll go back, and let's close this. All right, and then we can just click in here, and we can put whatever. You can change this and wording out and so on and so forth. Yada, yada, yada. So, you can edit the footer here. So that's cool. So you can add different social media icons if you want. That's pretty neat. All right, so go here. And so, yeah, you can add social link. All right, so I guess Facebook. Let me just grab my Facebook link, see how that works. Let me just grab this, see. Okay. Oh, and it knows it's Facebook. That's pretty cool. All right, and then you can just click off, and then you can say done. You can save, and then you can add other sections. We can go back here. We can double click again, add section. We'll just do this. All right, you can bring down the section if you want. And then you can add all this. Here's a button. So you can add like a link here. So you just click on the pencil, add your link. You can change the picture. Just click on the picture. And it's pretty self-explanatory. It's pretty simple. Just click on what you want. And then again, you can add another section. And here's different templates for your section. Jesus H Christ, get over there. Contacts. There's a nice form. Let's look at forms. Let's take a look at that. Let's go post submit. Let's see what this looks like. Thank you. Oh, okay. You can add your HTML if you have HTML to add. Here's a redirect. So if you hit on submit, so if you're like a marketer and you want someone to sign up for like a email list or to get something free to download, a call to action thing kind of deal, you can do that and get their information so you can email them later. Submit, edit form fields, message subject, and let's see, email. Trying to think. Okay, so you hit submit. Let's go back. Storage. Okay. That's what I was looking for. So you can sign up for MailChimp or anything really. Can you add a different one? Email, connect to, okay, you can connect to an email. If you have MailChimp, different mailing services, marketing mailing services, you can connect them. And yeah, that's pretty cool. So let's go done with that. Let's save. And then what else can I show you? And then we can do let's do a gallery. Let's see what we got here. Page layouts. Do they have galleries? Oh yeah. So we'll do a gallery. I'll just do this one. I'll just call it gallery. Pretty simple, right? Gallery. And then you can move this up here. Drag and drop. There's only coffee in here. I swear there's only coffee in here. Drag and drop. So you can go here and then you can go edit. You can call it whatever the hell you want to. Same as before. So we want to go here and then we can add to our gallery. So you just click on, pretty sure you just click on the picture. Yep. You should be able to just click on the picture. Oh, edit gallery. Okay. Okay. So here's your gallery. Let's upload a picture. And then once that's uploaded, you can move that up here. You can get rid of those other crap. And we'll upload a couple more. This is all my pictures. Oh, okay. So this is my library already. So if you have a library of images, you already... So how did I do that now? Search images. Okay. Or you can upload a new image. Come on now. Close. Upload a new image. Okay. We'll use, I don't know, we'll use this. Okay, perfect. We'll move this over here, over here, over here. It doesn't want to go over there. All right, it's over there. Confirm. All right, that's all cool. Let's close. So there you go. And then we'll sit done. And then there's gallery if we want to take a look at what it's going to look like. And there we go. A couple pictures we put in there. And then we can just click on our menu and kind of look what it looks like. All right, pretty simple, drag and drop. It's not any different than the last video I made, which was for Yola. You can add videos too if you want. Let me do that real quick. So we'll double click here. We'll add a section. Now I did this last time. I'm trying to think how I did it. I got it to it by accident. Oh, okay, here it is. So if you want to add a video, there. So we add video here. Just click on here to edit. Oops. God damn it. Oh my God. Loom, you're driving me nuts. Get over here. All right. So let's see. We'll replace this. Select from library. Add a link. All right. So we will add. We'll do the video I did last time, and we'll just put that in there. All right. And we'll wait for it to load. Add. All right. There it is. So we will be done. We'll save, and then we'll scroll down, and then we'll play. Okay. All right. So to end with here, let's look at the subscription. Now, this stuff's pretty expensive. I mean, if you're a novice, I understand the drop and drag is super easy for you. If no one wants to go out and necessarily learn content management system and how to upload it to a site or anything, this is probably a good. I'm conscious of the fact I keep saying and I'm trying trying to stop saying after every fucking sentence. So YOLA's less expensive. This seems to be very pricey. So I don't know. I would recommend Squarespace because you can get something just like this for way cheaper. You do get a free custom domain, which is cool. I would recommend doing something like, I mean, there's a learning curve to it, but I use HostMonster, and there's links below. They're affiliate links. So if you do sign up for those services, it is kickback to My Media Helper. But I would recommend them regardless. It is kind of a learning curve because you would have to learn how to use. But it's easy now. It's just here, I want to show you. Let me get into it. So you can use like Joomla. You can use Drupal. I would recommend WordPress, especially if you're small and you're just doing like a blog. And you can go into this. This is cPanel. It comes with Bluehost. It comes with HostMonster. It comes with HostGator. Those are the 3 links I have below. You can just hit on install and install the application for WordPress. You can do it manually, but again, you'd have to know what you're doing. And there's a little learning curve there, and it's like usually $4 or $5 a month for hosting. And it's usually unlimited space. And if you pay like 2 or 3 years in advance, it's even less than that. This just seems really expensive to me, and you pay annually. So I don't know. I don't know if I'd recommend that. It's easy. It's very user-friendly, and I would recommend it as far as that's concerned. I just wouldn't recommend it over the pricing. So that's all I'm going to say about that. Next time I'm going to do either Wix or Weeble. I think I'm going to do Weeble next time because I haven't played with that yet. So let's do that for next time. And I thank you as always. If you could subscribe, I would appreciate that. Please like this video if you liked it. Like this video if you didn't like it. Actually, if you didn't like this video, like it twice. And then share this with someone who might be looking for like a hosting service alternative. And then hit that bell for updates. And I will catch you later. And goodbye.